Obia nyobia obia nyobia obia nyobia obia nyobia Afenyo nyobia nana ya uzu nyobia obia nyo Ewusia uko video this one Afenyo Markin ene nana Yaa Jantuah omo clàsh ne nyina fa demonstrations a MPP for omo twan nipa wa be take omo petition either come his excellency the president ya yen hwa na Yaa Jantuah ana pi mo je hono de Afenyo Markin ege kana adwen e kire na Yaa Jantuah na Yaa Jantuah firi hono mo no ona so na akọ reply Afenyo Markin ama media na so aye say he mo ha no mo as my host me break bi bia down na wate ase na wa kire wa adwen e de amame mesro ase wada woroma obe mi subscribe button na so na obetene benefit na on for latest update na mesro ase ya na wa kire wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section hono mo obaso anu ahye ama onua so enya bi ahwe no kan fo na ala mo ni sana be na de ama o yi wose eno yike obesa ska ede be fie aye nala ana obia bogafo no nyina de obia ede sales ska ebe fie eye very fast transaction o send ya kwen nes kan eduru fie minute kura mpa ho na eduru fie fa pron ko Penyah ti no be $20 amazing for free na mame fa nkwa akire it was in 2023 ana NDC abra na omo opposition no omo ye demonstration bi e wo Ghana ana ya to the Occupy Bank of Ghana.
Give me to the man. I don't know. Some can say arise. Some can say Ghana. Arise. 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 Give Ghana does not belong to them. Sir, and the demonstration here is serious. It is unprecedented. ABC Canada, and this is the signal we are sending them for 2024. They should not try us. I didn't ever say no. So watch you. Now me watch me. Now me watch you. Young boys in your man yet. Sit down there. You did your man. You did set it up. No man yet. You man is here. No. You back at the area. Sit down there. You did this hospital. You back at the area. Sit down there. You did your man. Come on. Everything. Young Kasabe play. Obia over Habia. Kola Kodia dance here. Actually, what done for woman, you would have 2024.
Emma that demonstration omo year no October 2023 omo asem nyina say Dr. Ernest Edison na oye Bank of Ghana governor that time no wa bon just say all say o man no ye de o man sika asem ye de gro topre ye de ska ewura ne ma bi mu a se be emfaso bi ani so mo man o man ne sheda hu mfaso bi a e wo so at that time no se me dem fimo ato force mo esedin katia mo any some of the NDC officials ni bi omo any edom ni bi ebo anan ekopie mu Bank of Ghana aso ye ema omo ko president omo petition ema the Bank of Ghana governor but that time no now there was an IMF program bia na e cost 80 na e was a Bank of Ghana governor or no any two deputies omo nyina take part in that meeting omo take part of that particular meeting 80 Bank of Ghana governor any the two deputies omo nyina omo ntimi ama obia entimi ama omo petition but that time no almost suma former wing commander as a retired military officer na oya Ghana Air Force commander ba ko ya retired is onye obi hunu retired Ghana Air Force wing commander ama was say a lawyer or a legal practitioner na ono because oya former Ghana Armed Forces official senior member ntino ono ana woko Bank of Ghana na oya omo head of security department wonye just watchman but one ye head of Bank of Ghana security department onye nipa kuma it ono and almost man say onkoje that petition emra because Bank of Ghana mpanimfo ayi busy okoduru ye ensemo a atofo say kan ne say so disrespect say Bank of Ghana NDC mpanimfo ayi demonstration aba mama so ye na mumbe pia beji petition no masuma emia watchman. These are the words atofo in AUSU ye.
We were informed that we be coming to present the petition to the government. And the three governors, as we speak, are currently meeting the IMF in a meeting, and there's nobody there. So the government has asked that I meet you and take the petition on his behalf.
All right, so the minority leader will respond.
So first, let me say that I feel very disrespected as the leader of the opposition in Parliament for a simple reason that we demanded to present a petition to the governor of the Central Bank of Ghana, otherwise known as the Bank of Ghana. The governor has two deputies, namely Deputy 1 and Deputy 2. Unfortunately, he has decided to disrespect us. Central Bank of Ghana today, but have a negative billion Ghana cedis and a loss 1 year. We have been able to protect national debt. Your act has indeed pushed 850,000 Ghanaians down the poverty line, and we will hold you accountable. Particularly the governor, we are demanding his exit. And now that he has decided to respect us, we will not present our petition. We will go and come back again. We will come back here again, and we will come back and demand to see him in person. The crowd you've seen is just the beginning. We will come back again, and I assure you, trust me, we will come back again. He should better come in here. If he thinks that the IMF is more important than the Parliament of Ghana, if he thinks that the IMF is more important than the people of Ghana, he's here because of the people of Ghana and not IMF. So let him deal with IMF, but we'll come after him. We will come after him. Until we see him, we are not stopping. This is just the beginning.
Joe boy!
So, on that note, we mean no disrespect, but we thank you very much. I will be protesting again, and we hope that we will be meeting him. Until we see him, we will not stop occupying the Bank of Ghana. Thank you very much.
Yes, it's not surprising. And Estadison is a coward. And we had stated earlier on that we were sure he won't show up. Because, I mean, for 7 years, I've been on the Public Accounts Committee. The Public Accounts Committee invites the Bank of Ghana at least twice a year. He's appeared only 3 times in 7 years, so it's not strange. But I mean, it's the height of disrespect that we will come here and he will send the watchman at the Bank of Ghana to come and receive the petition. Okay, the watchman should come to Parliament as well. When next he needs anything from Parliament, he should send a watchman, because we won't have time for him as well. But we will be back. He has given us an impetus to come back, so we'll be back.
Say one small watchman, so they intend disrespecting them. Emma Tofotika said they will never give the petition to that man. Meanwhile, that man only just watchman. Your question will be on gate keke. Or your head of security department. Emma checking the profile. Or you need to or your lawyer. Or practicing law for so many years. But Omo can dance some at the chair. Now we already done say more. According to the MPP members, we say democracy is under attack under John Mahama Amemuomo. Kabima can be there. Now no, ya to tunasi. You need Kabima can because say Oko can be just Oko criticize the government na in a harsh way. You bet you what to the MPP members no. Sana Omo ensem epatre. Say Obi as a on can be Emma ban Obi or attack government ni be ade. Ye chum egum. It democracy is under attack. Emma tells the Champion, I sit against 2026 no omo enyina kobi ekopie mu ewo Accra. The focus of the Jubilee House ekoye demonstration kese pa bakoti des kokko de tere aban no ema wiase nyina ehu senior His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama and NDC aban esi etiti Ghana for share Ghana for so come kasa abo ahye obiem omkobo ho da wuro ema dade de in fact na enipa wo ho nye nipa kuma ho.
Penyah GH.
Yes, the minority there. Yes, my house say peace no. Peace no.
Penyah GH.
Our call to come to Fikina Dazi. Penyah GH.
Among focus MPP agu but a dumb yanko baby just after 1 year in office MPP organized a demonstration a dumb one ne woman no I was a can be trained this for say money careful because anka just 1 year in office there and ka party be a demonstration kwa nisen konya dom but just 1 year in office now party a demonstration na a dumb say a poor badia it tells you say or say muhu say munam kwan so a muko opposition now almost that demonstration there was a class because it got to a point here now Ghana police any demonstrators now akonya banter as there was a push incident bi near there MLT say commander baako police officer baako can nsem bi I be just nsem kra no entwa ye na enisi okada nsem no because he was captured on camera saying that
You start dealing with them. Is that how we behave? What kind of nonsense is that?
the only thing bana ekopie mu Jubilee House no mo ayese na omo twensen kan His Excellency and I say senior staff member bi ebepie every Jubilee House ababeji omo petition either say chief of staff Julius Debla and I say the executives Dr. Kalistus Mahama mo omo bi announced and Dogo deputy chief of staff no and can omo twen senior ranking staff member bi but to their surprise His Excellency Esoma Nana Yaa Jantuah also your presidential staffer but on there no oya adwuma at the front desk or your staffer for energy and green just say you know hoardings and same to serve as barrier between PURC government and the people to honor collective data every PURC any Ghana for no now they come tier 2 or tier 1 staffer or synthesize it. He will synthesize the data now collecting no from PURC concerning energy. Say you too fuel mu, you too light bill mu, you too on collecting that data no. Oh yeah, then he will synthesize the data. Now it has remember tier 2. Tier 2, those are the advisors, the advisors. Tier 2 for no. Now another remember tier 1. Tier 1 chief of staff mo, Julius Debra, any Ura Kalistus Mahama mo, Standogo mo. It say Nana Yaa Jantuah no wie na dwuma or pass it through tier 2 or tier 1 staffer not tier 1 staffer no e dey come his excellency the president or no one kasa there on shut down sorry and nantin ko his excellency office straight there be or follow channel it either onu no wie na djuma or the bema tier 2 or tier 1 na tier 2 or tier 1 no so ahwehwem on za ka adwuma na mami aye no bibia aye clear aye nice ya summary bibia kama bita kama mahama so that we do better ase ehun de ne manfo FM in terms of energy la has it to like be ebomu be ya petrol burning nam to see any other and come manfo edi no wanting so that mahama so be who the next decision to take it ono eno na dwen say ya hwemu a u breaki presidential staffers into hierarchy or ya tier 3 presidential staffer na say MPP general secretary wo mu obi bia wo mu bi ranking members of parliament for the MPP party enyina wo mu omu leader in parliament omu say MPP mpanifo na all the big wigs in the MPP nyina about demonstration be presenting their petition to the president at the Jubilee House, the forecourt of the Jubilee House. They say according to them no mahama pobe ahoro ne namu mpabo akra de ahye na yes na ne Yaa Jantuah it one the Afenyo can say there be the fact that mahama has sent you alone to come and receive our petition no tells us say his intent to disrespect us.
As is expected, the chief of staff or the deputy or a very senior member of government under the circumstance should have been part of this discourse and to lead it. We feel that with great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have the chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. Members of parliament and the leadership of parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us.
Emma Afenyo Markin dancing way na Yaa Jantuah Emma hono Yaa Jantuah so okay wate sa Afenyo Markin say ono no onye obi a wate sa Afenyo Markin tinka say ono onye obi a no wate but or catch Afenyo Markin say petition ebekwa control his excellency John Dramani Mahama ebekwa control nenim na ke say busia aso ho aza na anso ho a say nsem na Afenyo Markin ka kire na Yaa Jantuah say Mahama pipe masoma wo nko a say brabaji petition dia then Mahama intends to disrespect the MPP party. Say na ahye na Yaa Jantuah edu ho no eno okopie mu e wa Sempa TV so e kwa twen komo then e hon de ebusia ensem on ka kire Afenyo Markin no o kire bi say obetima wo Afenyo Markin nyina
the women's brigade say na Afenyo Markin Joyce Bauer Afenyo Markin with me be na no ka kire me say me ye nobody a obetimi agina ho aka kire mu nyina say oba besia magina wo anim president yako program no ena omkache chief of staff say opeso obi animu odu kakra ne kokoje petition anya se kakra opeso obi animu odu na okokoje petition because onu they definitely out chief susu ntimi nko all the deputies obi a we yinase president na ya betimi akọ
man Penyah free Jamaica
oba no yes obetimi akọ ntimo ma ne nko me kokra na Marietta say one me be ba be ma me support am say oh sister o de tena ha na ye de obeye na say yesi me nkwa duty calls aso ye duty nti fa me bag me nya call no omo ka kire me say omo bedu ho 11 omo dru ho be 12:30 me tell me office twen ya na am say na mo kra nka mo ma me etena office like a co-program ni wie ansanka me ba beto obi ye ko gina park sui besi ennene nkrofo yimpi ho ti be want something eni hu so mo ba obi me kra me ko no na me say oh we de me ko hia me nua no na bi wo ho Justin wo ho omo nyina me hwe from afar na ayi almost started protesting say me the omo ntimi ngi petition in free me ho. Maybe me omo kakai omo hu me ana omo yem hyehye wo. Inti no. Me hwe Justine from afar. No okan won ano say nana ya we na ba beji petition. Hwe obi. Eno nti na obi ho onya position na on person obey humble no. Obi nti na onya position na on person me position me wo me fa position ni manim. Ti for you for Justine. Well aba catch me say.
Say o share na no na hu so okasa.
What me hu so oka. Say na me ben ho. All the reactions I saw it. Me for the first everybody thought I should react. But a police phone soldier for bias madam and the wire there. I didn't open my mouth because me jinaho in the stead of the president of the Republic of Ghana. If you want no more call more conclave, no could this a binum so papa be so a chairman no said then you almost any dimbi. For 10 so on GP, I make a chair was a one G. I said me free. But then I told to myself, say, I am standing here at the highest office of the land. Yes. I am standing here in the stead of the president. It means me enye bibia contrary to what is in my mind. So me jina ho din hwe wo. Nebe hwe omo pre. Me de asem de be dan na me de beka. Papa Penyah mu so am MP, former MP. This one me. He came to greet me. Kabo who me no sre. Na na big crampo. Omo nyina they went back. Then they went into a conclave. And they came back. A honored Afenyo Markin. So no na akwaje contract. Afenyo Markin who Afenyo Markin? And your classmate in me. Yes, of course. Me nyini cha Afenyo Markin metimi ya wona Afenyo Markin what this saying?
When you say, but
what this saying? On can you age my minty? Me mates omo ye wie form 5 omo we woni mo my age. Obi me hu na afeo. Inti Afenyo Markin say me nyini cha Afenyo Markin 2 years mpo. He hasn't got the right. It is a president no did not tell.
You know the funny part of this story? The funny part is that me nim the entire so bi no bi nya asem kakra bia. Obuba manu ma metima wo. There's no way I can't wait my wife on your market. There's no way. I am not rooting for anybody. But the fact that I can't wait my wife on your market, it is an error statement. Yen check age difference. Nani Yaa Jantuah with the greatest of respect. I was 59 years. Afenyo Markin I was 48 years. Oche 11 years. Oh, better one. Oche will be 11 years. 11 years. 11 years girl. Then I win him. Oh, better one. Oh, man is quite a woman one side. Do better one for your Markin. And Yaa Jantuah ya and all play victim card. And some be said or catch the Kufuado.
Nando is a complete error and a mistake.
You cannot say that.
I can say that bestowed on this country. When I say that Nanado has the tendencies of Nebuchadnezzar, people think that I am joking. He is an error. He is a mistake.
Kufuado 82 years. Nani Yaa Jantuah was 59 years. Obetima was so bebre. But Kufuado is an error. Kufuado as a president for Ghana or your error and a mistake. Oza can say Kufuado is something bestowed on us.
Something that we have bestowed on us. He has brought darkness to this nation. I am serious, please.
The Kufuado ye bibi a yakon fa to ye honso. You answer me. Adia mi chini nyachom ye. Nyachom hypocrisy nyachom mi chini nyachom o kan we chire obi abra na Kufuado te Ghana konya so Kufuado ye president o mampanyini wan fa bua ma na kete o mampanyini o tell wan fa bua ma no o ke kan kwase asem chire no ke kan se munu kaja Kufuado o ye mistake for this country Ghana nipo betima wo o men ne bia o kaja o ye mistake. O catch a Kufuado say a Kufuado is something bestowed on us. They say bibi a yakọ fa to ye ho so a Kufuado ye bibi. Na na obi ka say ma asma won ko aba e disrespect oni watem kra no wo wa lie. Ka ye zo betima wo ne so. Eh fa na yakọ nsa no. Just wo betima kwa ya chiro obi ntimi ka bi ntiro. Na sana chiro man. Chiro nwa wo comment section ho no mo. I Penyah Block Media makra.